Hey guys, and welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Dawn Garnett, and in today's video, I'm showing you how I made these cupcakes with an open round Wilton tip. And I used my buttercream icing recipe for this. I'll leave links up above and in the description below. You can also use store-bought icing if that's what you like or that's what you have on hand. So here I have my Wilton 1A tip. It is just an open round tip. I also have my Wilton 12-inch icing bag. I'm just going to open up the bag a little bit and then drop that tip right in there. So I'm going to push it down a little snug, not too tight, but just in there snug, and then grab the tip of the bag with my thumb and finger and pinch it. So I'm just going to place my other thumb and finger just above where I marked it with my thumb, and then I'm going to cut it in that space that was between the two, somewhat on an angle. I just feel that it makes the tip sit better in that space. So I'm going to push it down quite snugly to the top of the bag, and then I'm going to go ahead and fold my bag and get it ready to fill with icing. So here I have one of my vanilla cupcakes ready to go. So starting on the outside edge, we're going to go around in a circle, then around again to the inside, and then to the center, and then just pull it up quickly. And we'll do another one. That's one, a second pass, and then a third tiny pass in the middle. So we'll do this one more time. And then to finish these ones off, I just grated some white chocolate and then put 2 candy melts in the middle. Why not? You can add sprinkles, you can crush up cookies and put them on top, pieces of chocolate bar. I've added in a little bonus footage of my daughter's baby shower where I used the same technique but then just put little baby onesie stickers in the top with toothpicks. They turned out quite cute. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.